Democrats in New York are using every trick in the book to try and get their hands on President Trump's tax returns. The Hill reported that President Trump's acting chief of staff Mick Mulvaney said Sunday that Democrats will never see President Trump's tax returns, nor should they. That's an issue that was already litigated during the election. Voters knew the president could have given his tax returns, they knew that he didn't, and they elected him anyway, Mulvaney said during an appearance on Fox News Sunday. He added that Democrats know they're not going to get the tax returns. They just want attention on the issue because they don't want to talk to us about policy, he said. President Trump's attorney mirrored those sentiments and is willing to take it all the way to the SCOTUS. Watch the video. From Washington Examiner. Democratic lawmakers in New York are trying to amend state law to obtain President Trump's tax returns. State lawmakers are expected to introduce a bill this week that would allow the Commissioner of the New York Department of Taxation and Finance to release any state tax return requested by leaders of 3 congressional committees for any specific and legitimate legislative purpose, according to the New York Times. The bill would allow the release of tax filings for personal income taxes, corporation taxes, and real estate transfer taxes. New York is the president's home state and the Trump Organization is headquartered there. Democrats control the legislature and governorship. In Washington, Democrats are trying to obtain Trump's federal taxes, which he has refused to release over claims that he is being audited. House Ways and Means Committee Chairman Richard Neal, D-Mass, has requested 6 years' worth of Trump's personal and business tax returns from the Internal Revenue Service and Treasury Department.